What's going on, guys? Totally excited for you guys to come out riding today. Going up north here with a couple of buddies. It should be a great time. Trails I've never been on before. Like I said, it should be a really good time. These guys can buck. Well, a couple of them for sure can. I know that. So, should be a paint swapping, really fast, good time. So, like I said, really excited you guys are coming riding with me today. And hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate it a lot. Sorry for the lack of content this year. Just the snow has just been terrible. It's been terrible. But here we go.
All right, let's go get at it. This thing's doing way better now with the not bottoming out. I'll tell you what, guys, it just doesn't get any better than this. I mean, the only thing that could probably, you know, if we had a little bit more snow, but it's still, man, it's great. This is great. Oh, a couple of rough spots here and there, but whatever, you know. La-di-da. Oh, there they come. Oh! Woo! Feel that big board just a pulling. I need gas though. He's drinking. That's a nice sled though. That's a super nice sled. Alright, we stopped. We got a little bit of food. I took a quick little breather. Some other sleds pulled up, which is pretty cool. And off we go. Alright, engage afterburner. Here we go. Woo! I can't see nothing, but I guess. Wildlife there. Woo! I can't fucking see anything. Yeah, that's great. Fucking let her rock! I say? Whoa, whoa. Holy fuck! Fucking yeah! Boy, John wants to play. All right. Oh, she fucking. Okay. You fucker, you fucker. Oh! He hit me! No, he didn't! He rubbed you, and rubbed you son is fucking racing, son! Woohoo! And we're off again! fucking Dan. Do.
All right, guys, thanks for coming out today. That was a blast. What a good time, man. That was awesome. So, hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, as always. And please smash that like and subscribe button and the bell and all that good stuff. You got something kind of big coming down the pipe for my sled. So, hopefully that pans out good. I think it will, and I think you guys will really dig it. So I should have content up on that here in, well, probably the next video, I'm hoping. So I want to tell you guys what it is, but I don't want to tell you. So, but no, I it's cool. It's cool. I'm excited about it. So, like I said, smash that button, both of them. Damn it. I need y'all. We got to get these subscribers up. Remember, at 1,000, we're gonna have a giveaway. It's gonna be cool too. I just haven't. Well, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I mean, I wouldn't. What fun is that, right? So, but until the next video, stay out there, keep busting drifts, all that good stuff. Slowby, hit me up. Peace. Last Chance Legacy. Here we go.
Little bonus footage. I don't know how long the battery's gonna last, guys, but little bonus footage for y'all. Yeah. Whoa. That was almost me in a culvert. Whoa, woo! That was fun.